Sharing a budget with your spouse is an essential step in managing your finances effectively as a team. To start, both partners should have a clear understanding of their individual financial goals and spending habits. Begin by gathering all financial documents, including income statements, bills, and bank statements. Next, choose a budgeting method that works for both of you, such as the 50-30-20 rule, where 50% of your income goes towards necessary expenses, 30% towards discretionary spending, and 20% towards saving and debt repayment. You can use a budgeting app or spreadsheet to make it easier to track your expenses and stay organized. Once you have a budget in place, schedule regular budget meetings with your spouse to review your progress and make any necessary adjustments. This will help you stay on track and ensure that you are both working towards the same financial goals. It is also important to discuss and agree on financial priorities, such as saving for a down payment on a house, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund. Make sure to communicate openly and honestly about your spending habits and financial concerns, and be willing to make compromises when necessary. To avoid conflicts, consider implementing a joint account for shared expenses, such as rent, utilities, and groceries, and separate accounts for individual expenses, such as entertainment and hobbies. This will help you maintain some financial independence while still working together to achieve your financial goals. Finally, be patient and flexible, as managing finances as a team can take time and effort to get used to. By working together and following these steps, you can create a budget that works for both you and your spouse, and achieve financial stability and success.